Welcome to Pups Teaching Pups. I'm Bono, and today we're going to learn one of the most important things you can ever teach your puppy. We're learning sit. That's Beau. He's always like this.
Good morning, everybody. It is a great day to learn things.
So why do we teach sit first? Because sit is basically the superhero of all dog commands. When your puppy knows how to sit, they stop jumping on people. They calm down when they're excited, and it's the very first step to learning every other command.
So sit is like the pizza of dog training? Because pizza goes with everything?
That is surprisingly accurate, Beau.
I think about pizza a lot.
Okay, here's what you need for today's lesson. Number 1, your puppy.
Present!
Number 2, small treats, tiny ones, pea-sized, not the big ones.
Treats!
Beau,
Treats.
Beau.
Sorry, you were saying?
And number 3, patience. This might take a few tries, and that is completely okay. Every puppy learns at their own speed.
How many tries did it take me, Bono?
Let's move on. Okay, step 1. Get your puppy's attention by holding a treat right at their nose. Not too close, not too far. Right at nose level.
It smells like chicken.
It is chicken.
Amazing!
See? Full attention. Step 1 complete. Step 2. Slowly move the treat up and back over their head. Like this.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! What's happening to my butt?
That is exactly what's supposed to happen. When the treat goes back, the bottom goes down. It's science.
My butt went down. I'm a genius.
Step 3. The second their bottom touches the ground, say sit in a clear, happy voice. Not too loud, just calm and happy. Step 4. Give the treat immediately, like right away, within 2 seconds. That's how your puppy's brain connects the sitting with the reward.
This is the greatest moment of my entire life.
You say that every single time.
And I mean it every single time.
Step 5. Celebrate. Tell your puppy they did an amazing job. Make it a big deal, because it is a big deal. Now, a couple of things not to do. First, don't push your puppy's bottom down.
I wasn't gonna...
You were absolutely going to.
Yeah, I was.
Pushing doesn't teach them anything. Let the treat do the work. Second, keep your training sessions short, like 2 or 3 minutes short.
How come?
Because puppies have tiny attention spans.
Oh, totally. Hey, did you know butterflies can taste with their feet?
Exactly. Okay, let's recap. To teach your puppy to sit, treat at the nose, move it back over the head, say sit when the bottom hits the ground, give the treat immediately, and celebrate like crazy.
I can confirm all of those steps work, especially the treat part.
Practice a few times a day, and your puppy will be a sitting superstar before you know it. And remember, if it takes a few tries, that's totally normal.
It took me 47 tries.
It took you 47 tries.
And now I'm great at it.
That's it for today's episode of Pups Teaching Pups. Did your puppy learn to sit? Tell us in the comments. We want to hear all about it.
If your puppy took more than 47 tries, that's okay too. No judgment. We've all been there.
Next episode, we're tackling stay, which is basically sit's more challenging older brother.
And I'm already nervous.
You should be. See you next time. Woof!
See you next time. Woof!